Going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Buick Encore. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your remote. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. And to do that, what we're going to do is press this button here, and we're going to pull up the emergency key. Now, I'll turn the remote over like this, and this is the slot the emergency came out of. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to push this flathead screwdriver into that hole maybe a 1/4 of an inch. And when I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pry the remote in half, okay? Now you only want to go about 1/4 of an inch because it only gives you about 1/4 of an inch to pry. If we look at the cover here, this is as far as we want the screwdriver to go in, okay? We don't want it to go all the way in. We want it to go to here, okay? So when we get that apart, go ahead and pull this apart like this. And on the back half of the remote, that's where the battery is. And we'll go ahead and just pry it right out of the holder. And I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is going to be a CR2032. And see how it has a writing on it? There's a positive sign there. It goes face down in the holder. And then all you do is just put everything back and snap it all back together. You hear it click and pop like that. You'll know you have it put back together right when the emergency key goes in and if it clicks, okay? If it doesn't click, you squish this guy back together a little bit more. Well, that's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.